Hello, today I will show you how hackers crack any games. Let's open the games that we will try to crack. Right click, open, and here's the game. Simple Pac-Man game with password verification. We need to bypass this password. To bypass this password, we need to use binary patching with the debugger. Open the x64 debugger. This is the x64 debugger. We are going to load the game executable here. File, open, select the game, and here's the assembly instruction from CPU view tab of the debugger. First, we right click, then go to search for all modules and string references here, then search wrong password, then double click the wrong password. This is the address where the message wrong password is located. This means this part of the code is the dead zone. We don't want the processor to end up here. The instruction above the wrong password address is a conditional jump called jump if not equal. If the password is correct, the CPU jumps to the program main's logic. But if it's wrong, it goes directly to the wrong password message. To bypass it, we'll replace the JNE with a JMP. This is an unconditional jump. To do that, press spacebar. So it will go to the main logic even if the entered password is incorrect. Type JMP. Press OK. Done. Then we need to patch the file. Go to file, patch file, then click patch file, then type game_patch.exe. Save. Then press OK. Done. We need to test the file. Right click, open. Now, we need to type any password. Done. Success. We can play the game. That's it. Wow. Really nice. For more video like this, please subscribe.